Welcome to WISE Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to manually create an entry task from start to finish. Manual ET creation. From the WISE home screen, select Window Check-in. This will take you to the entry list screen where you can view the history of created ETs. To look up specific ETs, filters at the top can be used to narrow searches. To start creating an ET, select Create Entry at the top right of the screen. A Create Entry window will appear asking for one of the following entry types. Live load is when the driver waits until the container or trailer has been completely loaded. Live delivery is when the driver waits until the container or trailer has been offloaded completely. Pickup/hook is where the driver comes to pick up a container or trailer. Drop-off is where the driver will or has come to drop off a container or trailer. Parking, visitor, and other are activities used for reasons that do not pertain to a container or trailer. Check the box next to the appropriate options and select OK. A pop-up box will appear stating that the ET has been successfully created and if you want to start the check-in process. Select Yes to begin the check-in process or No to check in later. On the following check-in process screen, information will be entered in 3 sections: carrier info, activity, and tasks. Starting with carrier info, fill in the necessary information: carrier, driver name, driver license number, driver phone number, equipment type, license plate number, container number, and seal number. Once the necessary information has been entered, select Continue at the bottom right to move on to the activity section. In the activity section, enter the receipt number or load number and select from the list below. This will assign this entry task to the option selected. Use the Batch Add Load or Batch Add Receipt buttons to add multiple loads or receipts at once. In the Actions column, you can normally remove receipts and loads or find additional information. For example, the counting sheet for the load task can be found here. Select Continue to proceed to the task section. In the Assignee field, select the personnel that will complete the task. The assignee will be sent the receiving or load task on their mobile device in the WISE app once this section has been completed. Next, select the dock door that the container or trailer is assigned to for each receipt and load. Docks can be released by using the Release Dock button if the required dock is currently reserved by another task. However, it is important to verify the dock's availability before releasing the dock. After selecting a dock door and assignee, select Check-in or Wait at the bottom right to create the ET. Selecting Check-in will reserve the dock and send the task to the assignee. Selecting Wait will create the ET but reserve it in the driver waiting list and will not release the associated task until it is removed. If there are multiple receipts or loads, you will have to select which dock is processed first. Select Save to continue and release the tasks. A pop-up message will appear stating the save was successful. Select OK to return to the entry list. Thank you for watching WISE Tutorials.